Hey folks, here we are today out near Basalt. Just done a treacherous little climb up here. Had to machete the way through the blackberries and up a couple of cliffs, dodging snakes on the top of the hill over there. But we're here now and found another mine. I'm guessing it's going to be an alluvial one, goes in under the basalt here. So let's go in and check it out. It's actually not far away from where the wombat hole is. A video I did earlier in the year. That was a pretty big mine, so hoping this one could be decent size as well. There's a lot of game trails coming up to here, so I'm guessing there might be some wombats in here. Who knows? Soon find out though. I'll just fix this torch up here a bit. Oh, there's a bat up there. Is it? No, it's a bird. Not so bad as a bat. A lot of swallow nests down here. Water a bit damp and she's a little bit low, the roof in this one. That's where they've started going up to have a bit of a look. Interesting mushroom. Bird checking things out, little swallow. Oh, it's got to be as good as a canary in a coal mine, doesn't it? Let us know if it's not really safe if that thing falls out of the sky, out of the air. A bit of a ballroom here. Have a good look for wombats because I don't really want to be on my hands and knees and coming up on one. Sort of get me a bit paranoid. It doesn't look like it goes too much further. Bit of a hole in there. Getting pretty wet. Sticky. Let's see if we can see anything up in there. No, it's just a wombat hole. And that's about as far as this goes by the look of. Have a squeeze around here. I'm not going to fit down in that one. It doesn't go too much. This little looks like it's been backfilled. You can see the wash over our heads here. Bit strange, being under an old river. Back up. Try not to stick to everything too much. Yeah, nice little ballroom in here though. Plenty of mosquitoes again. And go for scale again. It's not real tall in here. Sort of crawling around. Quite like these little alluvial mines. Find them quite fascinating. And you can see where the bedrock's dropping off this way here. It probably went down another bit down there. Who'd know? Old timers would have, but they're not around to ask anymore, so I'll fix this torch again. Must be a bit loose. There we go. There's our mate birdie again. up into a shaft there a bit. And really any toe cuts to climb up and have a look. Oh, looks pretty loose as well. Alright, get back out to the daylight. I'll tell you what though, lovely and cool down here. It's about 30 degrees out today. Get down here and it's probably about 12 maybe. So, perfect air conditioning. I sort of thought it'd be a bit bigger than it was after the wombat hole, which we're sort of not far at all from, because that's pretty huge in the same lead. I'm sort of hoping this would be something similar, but not to be, that's alright. There we are, back in the daylight. Didn't even have to crawl to get into that one. Nice change. Thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And we'll see you in the next one, which hopefully will be just over there somewhere. Have a good one.